Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the WhatsApp chat with the PDF and make sure the file is fully downloaded. This prevents corrupt sends. Next, check that your phone has a printer app or a PDF viewer that supports printing. This is why you avoid delays later. Once done, connect your device to the printer. Use the same Wi-Fi network for wireless printing or pair via USB or Bluetooth. Make sure the printer is powered on and has paper and ink to avoid mid-print failures. You now export the PDF from WhatsApp to a local app. Tap the file, choose Share or Save, pick Files or a dedicated PDF viewer so you can access print controls. Once saved, open that viewer and use the Print command in the Share menu. This gives you more reliable settings. Then select your printer, confirm paper size and orientation, and choose the specific pages if you don't need the whole document. These steps ensure print fidelity and avoid unwanted blank pages or wrong scaling. You should preview and then print, confirming duplex, scaling, and color options. This avoids wasting paper. After you hit print, monitor the job in your printer queue. If nothing happens, restart the printer, reconnect Wi-Fi, or switch to USB to isolate network issues. If the output is low quality, inspect ink or toner levels and try printing the same PDF from a different app to rule out viewer problems. Finally, resave the PDF from WhatsApp if corruption is suspected, then repeat the print sequence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.